Hi, my name is Blair, and I am BabyQuip's Affiliate Program Manager. Today we're going to review the BabyQuip Vrbo Affiliate Dashboard. Starting at babyquip.com/Vrbo, you will find all the information about how to attract more guests and earn affiliate income. To get started, click this button. If you already have an affiliate account, go ahead and sign in here. Getting started, you'll simply need your first, last name, and email address, along with creating a password of your choice. You'll sign up, and then you'll be able to sign in. This is the affiliate dashboard. On the left, you'll see multiple tabs: dashboard, properties, logos and assets, and financials. We'll go through those in a little bit. First, let's talk about the 6 buckets you see on the very front of the page. The links clicked shows you how many times your link has been clicked. Successful bookings shows you how many successful bookings you've had this year. And affiliate earnings is your commission total. Add a property allows you to create unique links for each of your rental properties. Choose an area. If all of your properties are in the same city or location, simply type in that city right here. It'll take guests directly to that city landing page. Choose a provider. If you prefer to work with a specific quality provider in your area, enter their name to generate a special affiliate code. That code will take them directly to that specific provider's website. The Properties tab allows you to add multiple properties in multiple different cities. This is great because let's say you have a property in Houston, Texas, in Dallas, Texas, and in Austin, Texas. The properties will populate an affiliate link for each one of those specific cities. So this property is in Houston, Texas, and this link takes you directly to the Houston, Texas landing page. Here, your guests will find all of the providers that service Houston, Dallas, Austin, so on and so forth for each property. Next, you'll have the Logos and Assets tab. This shows you the listing images, logos, social media graphics, banners and ad displays, brand photos, and more messaging ideas. You can use any of these photos on your social media, on your property listing images, or anywhere that you advertise your property. Next is the Financials tab. This is where you'll add your PayPal account to your dashboard so that payments can be made once commission is available. Simply click here, connect the two accounts, click the automatic transfer button, and deposits will be made automatically. Back to the Properties tab. If I scroll down a little bit, I'll see messaging to guests. Copy this messaging, navigate over to your Vrbo dashboard. Scroll down and add the messaging here. This way, guests can see that you have a provider in BabyQuip for all their baby gear needs. Click Save, and it will remain on your property listing. You can also add it to any messaging that you have with guests after they've booked. After they've booked, Vrbo does allow external links. So if you know they're traveling with families, send them information about how they can book gear with us. Back to the affiliate dashboard. This link allows you to advertise on social media or your main property website, anywhere that you would like guests to go to our main babyquip.com page. That covers our affiliate dashboard walkthrough. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Blair, BLAIR, at babyquip.com. Look forward to having you as part of our program. Thanks.